they together go to their CEO.
Right,
And
sir.
especially this young guy who's just joined the unit, how he learns about leadership, how he learns about dealing with loss, or how he learns about bonding with men, all these things. So that's what I wanted to bring out. You see that as he progresses through the books, he enters with a lot of fears and aspirations,
Right, sir.
fears and apprehensions, and by the time the book ends, he has done 2 encounters, which are like 2 successful operations, and that is the acer test for any officer. And that time he's established in the unit, and he turns into such a confident officer. So that transition is shown, that how from a young guy, from boys to men,
Boys
if
to men, yes, sir.
put it
Yes.
like that.
So the narrative follows two, as we know, the narrative follows two Gorkha officers. What aspects of their journey are based on real life experiences? Please share some experiences.
So all the operations and all these things, I heard from my unit, or they were my operations, or the operation I got awarded in, or my friends or batchmates or postmates. So this is not a sit rep. I mean, a situation
Right.
we put kind of thing. This is still a fictionalized version of whole thing, but obviously you understand that if somebody fires from mountain, it will be like this. This is how this guy will feel. So it has a lot to do with how things actually happen in Valley. People have this tendency, like the media reports, फौज को इंटेलिजेंस मिली, वो वहाँ गए और उन्होंने 5 आतंकवादी. To do that, at least 20,000 hours would have been spent by 10,000 men to have that one single operation, right? So that is the